So we have find unconfirmed transaction and we're gonna confirm into our wallet. Let me show you the channel first. This is the only real channel that you can subscribe if you wanted to. Okay, it has 10k subs on YouTube. And here's wallet. Okay, we're gonna do transaction. Just go to inspect, wait for a few seconds, and then go to cancel. Okay, and there's some warning, you can read that. Sorry, and there's some warning that you can read with carefully. Okay, it is a scam and will take access your money. Okay, so I'm using zero balance empty wallet. It's a new blockchain wallet. Okay, and clear everything from here and just paste the script. Right click, select all, right click again, copy your script. Okay, and minimize it, then paste your script, press the enter button. As you can see, box pops up open here, and here's our unconfirmed transaction. We just need a hash ID. Okay, copy that, copy to clipboard, then paste it over here, paste, click OK. As you can see, it want to send transaction, click once again OK, once again OK. Close everything from here and just refresh the wallet and see the magic. As you can see, our payment received successfully in the wallet. Let me show you today's date. It's Saturday 20 December 2025. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna scroll for you because on watermark. Okay, as you can see, Saturday 20 December 2025. If you want to skip, you can contact me, but it's not free. Okay, and this is the channel. If you wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe for more related videos. This is the transaction. It will take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video, but it will take maximum 1 hour to complete. So let's see. So as you can see, our transaction confirmed successfully, and let me show you bus all run. Okay, so take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next video.